Welcome everyone to another episode of Quick and Easy Tutorials. So today we're gonna watch how to change the font type in Movavi by using custom fonts of our own. So now we'll first over to a Movavi window and you can see they have a simple project which I was working upon, and as you can see, this is a font type which I've been currently using. I want to use a bit of a thick font in this video, so it's not present right now within the system. So what we have to do is we can just simply go to a browser window. Here I'm using the Brave browser and just search for the type of font which you want to use. Suppose I'm using the dense font download option here. You can just load up any site and just open it. Upon opening it, you can see that this is the site which you have opened, and you can just simply click on the free download option and you can open the zip file which is downloaded. Upon opening the zip file, you can see that there is a .otf file. You can just open it and simply click on the install option which is on the top left corner. Upon clicking the install option, you can see that there's a quick window opens up and your font is just simply installed. Now you can use it in your projects or whatever projects you are doing throughout the system. To use it, you need to first of all close the project and just reopen the Movavi software so that the type of fonts which you have installed recently can now be used within the specific video which we want to make. Now just give it a time to load up and we'll just open up or load up the project which we're working upon. It's the latest one. We'll just open it and yeah, here it is, and just we'll simply click it and then we can use this font in our videos. Thank you so much for watching. Please click on the subscribe button to support our channel, and don't forget to type in the comments which video you want to see next or what problems are you facing. I'll just be there making tutorials now on, and thank you for watching. Goodbye, have a nice day.